So Scott and I are in Toronto today for the International Auto Show, and close by was Dave's Hot Chicken. I've been wanting to go to this place for a very long time, and we are finally here, so let's get it. So Scott and I got the Dave's number 2, so it came with 2 sliders, a side of fries, and their Dave sauce, and we got cheese on both our sliders. It already smells so good. Ooh. Ooh, look at the pickles, babe. Oh my god. Look at that. I'm so excited to dig in. They're good. I like the seasoning. You know what it reminds me of? Like the barbecue spice?
Barbecue chips.
Yeah, that's exactly what it tastes like. And dip it in the Dave sauce.
So much salt. Kind of reminds me of Chick-fil-A sauce.
So good. I like it. It's good. I thought it was going to be spicy, but it's not. Very creamy too. Right? They're a decent size, but they put a big piece of chicken in it. You can see. So we got cheese, pickle, Scott spilling, a nice big piece of fried chicken, and it's like a brioche bun or a butter bun.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh. And kale slaw. Didn't know that they put that in there. But that's good.
That's nice.
That is very nice. And I don't like pickles, but these pickles go well with the sandwich.
I'm making a mess.
Yeah, so am I. Now we're gonna dip it in the Dave sauce. That's a bomb-ass chicken sandwich. Always gotta put French fries in the sandwich, okay? Then, Dave sauce.
With pickles.
So good. I also don't find them overly greasy either. Do you? And you don't.
Kind of like Jollibee. Jollibee is greasy. This is a totally different type of fried chicken.
As you can see, Scott already finished his slider. Now he's after the fries.
Just need fries or we need the rest of her sandwich.
No, you better not. You enjoy the pickles.
I did. I got it.
Guys, I'm not even eating the fries because I'm enjoying this sandwich way too much.
I'll eat them.
It's a good size, but they're not huge. They're
like, I wouldn't get the double thing per se. First, like just to me, but the two of us to share it wasn't that bad.
no, it wasn't. It was pretty good. Overall, this place was pretty good.
I give it a solid 9.
Yeah, I give it a solid 9 too. Pretty good chicken.
It's right on the corner of Dundas and Yonge Street. So you can take the bus from the subway from Union. So
Worth the trip while we're here? Absolutely. Have a great day, guys. Peace.